I'm making a game called Data Dash where you play as an email courier named Byte who delivers emails inside of the internet. You wield a USB energy blaster to interact with the world in front of you, like opening doors or activating switches. If you crash into any walls, you blow up and you respawn. You can grind on rails and do tricks in the air, which you need to land in order to keep your energy blaster charged. I've been doing an obsessive amount of work to make sure the controls feel fair and challenging. Right now, I'm planning for the game to include dozens of stages, and in order to track progression, I needed to build a scalable saving system. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. First, I made a resource that includes all properties of a single stage: the scene's file path, its name, the stages that become unlocked after clearing, and more. Having these properties as export variables makes it super easy to edit within Godot's inspector window. Next, I made a resource that includes all properties of a single world: the world's name, the world's number, each stage resource the world contains, and more. Next, I made one resource, which includes all world resources, which themselves contain all nested stage resources. So now the skeleton information of the game is effectively stored within one resource file. Next, I made a class called SaveData, which includes an empty dictionary for progression. When I need to create a new save file from the game, I populate the progression dictionary by extracting all of the necessary world and stage information from the progression resource. This spits out a JSON file consisting of necessary information for each world and stage in the game, such as their name, if they're unlocked, and how many times the player has attempted a stage. Finally, now that the save file itself is just a JSON file, I can simply load and save data from the file with ease, and only use the resource files for additional properties that aren't applicable to the save file, such as the file path to the scenes or the email message that gets displayed in the world map. The saving system was a pain in the ass to make, but I like how it came out, because it's scalable. Adding new levels to the game or changing around the progression structure kind of just works, and I don't have to think about it too much anymore.